Well, it's getting there. This is the Sawblade knife. Just gotta sand it down a little bit more. Got epoxy coming tomorrow. But yeah, redneck special. It's got some Robinson head screws, some cedar. It's gonna get sanded up nice. And then it's already got a decent blade on it. So far so good. I used this Nichols file. There we go. That's what it is. Nichols. It's an axe file. But yeah, that's it so far. Probably the handle is a little bit thick, but yeah, buddy. So far so good. Told you I'd keep you guys posted on the well, on this knife anyway. So there it is. It's gonna get this is gonna get all sanded up nice, and I do have, hey, red, I've got those Chicago screws for the next one. I think I'm just gonna keep this as basic as it gets with this, but I am going to set it with epoxy, and I'm gonna countersink the heads of these screws so it'll all get nice. And then on the back side, these are already pretty much good to go as far as I like it anyway. Just needs to be sanded up nicer, and then yeah, there she be. Anyways, stay blessed, stay safe, and keep you posted on the next movement of this knife. Cheers.